Alright, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to bridge edges the easiest way. So what you want to do is select your two edge points, and then you're going to want to click Command J to join them, and then you're going to want to press Tab and then press 2, and then you want to try and select the entire top bit of your edge, as you can see what I'm doing right now. And then you want to do it to the other one as well. And once you've done that, you can right click and then press Bridge Edge Loops, just like that. Then you can go down to the arrow thing on the bottom left, and then you can change the number of cuts all the way to the max, and there you go. Then you can just shade it smooth, and yeah, that's how you do that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.